Right, so I went into a car park and got a nail in my van tyre. So I'm going to use my emergency kit, try and fix it. Well, not try and fix it, this has never failed me yet. I've done about at least 10 with this. As you can see, there's 3 gone out of them, but there's a whole pack gone. Well, I think there was 5 packs that come with. Well, perhaps a bit less than 10 then, but it's never failed me yet. So first of all, I want to get this screw out. Oh, well, I can't get it with them pliers, so I'll try and screw it out with a screwdriver. Not sure this will work, but yep, well, that's alright then. Okay, so it's got a pretty good hole in it. So first of all, you have to go through it, make the hole to this size, and just make the hole a bit smoother. So you just run this through it a few times. This is probably the hardest bit. I think that's alright though, that'll do. So now, I'm just going to thread one of the pieces through that eye, grease it up a bit. So I'll set up a tripod. So I'm just threading it through. Pliers on it. So obviously get it halfway and then fold it up. Put some of this, I don't know what it is, it's probably Vaseline or silicone or something like that. It just makes it slip in nice. And then you've got to force it into the hole. Just make sure you can see that. Then once you've got it about there, you whip it out really quick and it just leaves it in there. That cuts it and leaves it in there. When you get the little knife that comes with it, you just trim both sides off. As close as you can. Okay, so that's it. So we'll just blow the tyre up and make sure it stays up. Right, so I've got 20 psi in it. Oh, I've got about 15 psi in there anyway. But it's a bit noisy. I'm in my front room. So I'm going to drive down my garage and do it by the compressor. But it's holding 15 psi. That's the job. It does wear in a bit more and get dirty, so it's less noticeable. And I've took other MOTs with that, like that, and never mentioned it. So anyway, it's that easy. You can do it in your front room.